What's up, guys? It is Monday morning. Today is February 6th. It's actually Caleb's birthday, so happy birthday. But I woke up to this and no power. We have received 6 inches of snow. Like, I will show you on the stairs, like, how nuts this is. Look at that.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low?
Okay, guys, currently 10:13, update, power still out, and I think it finally stopped. Yeah, it finally stopped snowing, but it's supposed to, like, snow again. Like, but look at this. We have about a foot. We have about a foot of snow. You like the snow rush? We're gonna jump in the Jeep with Russell, and we're all gonna go get some food and probably some hot chocolate and just try to keep warm. So yeah, this is what they're calling Snowmageddon. So yeah. I don't know, guys. Woo! Wish us luck. We're gonna go get some food and some hot cocoa, and hopefully the power comes back on. So we are at Petco right now. Well, I'm in the car. Mom just took Russell into Petco to get his nails trimmed. But before, we stopped at Starbucks. I had to get some hot cocoa. Like I said, our power's out, and I always have hot chocolate every single morning. And I know before I've said that I don't like Starbucks hot chocolate, but I discovered something. If you put peppermint syrup in it, it actually tastes really good. So I like their peppermint hot cocoa. So got that. Then we're gonna eat. I'm hungry. Then I think we're gonna head home. Hopefully we have power. If not, I'm gonna start editing. So, I mean, I already have a whole bunch of footage, so maybe that's what I'll do. I'll put a candle on, I'll edit a whole bunch of clips, so then I'll have some videos ready to go for you guys. So actually, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do when I get home. Put on a candle, get on my blankets, listen to some music, and edit for you guys. So we just stopped at Legendary Donuts. Look how big this maple bar is. Look how big this chocolate maple glaze is. It's huge. It's as big as my face. It's 2 o'clock, and look, we have light, we have heat, we have cable, and we don't have cable. Oh, we don't have cable or internet, but we have light and heat. I'm gonna make myself an acai berry bowl because I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna get under the covers and we're gonna watch a movie. Yes, so I'm gonna make that and I'll show you guys what I put in it. I was so much longer yesterday. So much longer yesterday. Hey guys, what's up? It is 5 o'clock now. I'm in my room. I was actually sitting here getting ready to edit my Snapchat Q&A, and I'm just so sad. The audio is messed up, so like the audio cuts in and out throughout like the whole thing, so I have to refilm that. So let's see. I don't know if I'm going to do a Snapchat Q&A tomorrow or not, but what I am going to do is I totally forgot what my like Twitter like password and stuff was, so I haven't been on since October of 2016 on Twitter. So I finally figured out my Twitter, so I'm sitting here doing that. So I'm going to set up my Twitter, so follow me on Twitter. I'll have my Twitter thingy right here, and follow me on Twitter, and I will keep you guys updated if I'm going to do a Snapchat Q&A, or if I'm going to do a Twitter Q&A, or if I'm even going to do a Q&A, or any of that. So I'll leave all that in the down bar below and also on the screen. Alright, I'm going to end this video right here, guys, so I can get this up tonight, so that way we can do this, so at least we can be on Twitter, so then I can figure out if I'm going to do a Snapchat Q&A, a Twitter Q&A, or if I'm going to do a Women's Best Takeover, because I know that's in the works, so I may do a Women's Best Takeover on Snapchat and do the Q&A that way and film it that way with them. I don't know. Still trying to figure it out, but follow me on Twitter, like I said, leave that again right here. And then we'll be able to figure it out, and I'll let y'all know tomorrow. So yes, you'll be watching this tonight, so you will know tomorrow. But yes, hope you guys have a wonderful Monday night, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you on Snapchat and Twitter and Instagram.
Hear my voice this time.